me show you how to apply basic theorems in solving unknown angles. Welcome, it's your science tutor, Sir Ernest. And in this video, we shall be looking at the basic facts on plane geometry. If you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you for always showing up. So let's get started. We have a question on the board. We have this shape, this figure, and we shall be solving. The question says, in the diagram, PQ is parallel to RS. We are told to find X. Now, a problem like this, I'm going to be solving it using two methods. For the first method, how do we go about it? We have this shape. Remember, we were told PQ is parallel to RS. So we have PQ, this is PQ, parallel lines do not meet. This is RS. Then we have some sort of bisection angles located at point T. At this point we have 55 degrees. Angle Q is 140 degrees. Then the unknown angle we are looking for is X. Now, for the fact that PQ and RS, they are parallel, it means that they intersect at right angles. So I could decide to run a line down to form a right angled triangle on both sides. So we have right angled triangle on both sides, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. We have 140, we have 55 degrees, and then we have X. The shape is a five-sided shape. That makes it a polygon, which we call a pentagon. A pentagon is having 5 sides and 5 angles as well. The general formula to solving a polygon, we have 2n minus 4 right angle, or n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So that gives us the angle that a polygon has. In this case, n is 5 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides and 5 angles. So we substitute n to the 5. We have 2 times 5, 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. And then we have 6 times 90 degrees. That makes 540 degrees. So the sum of all the angles in this shape is supposed to give us 540. So on that note, we could find X. So we have this to be 90, this is 90. So 90 plus 90 plus 140 plus 55 plus X should give us 540. So it simply means 90 plus 90 plus 140 plus 55 plus X is equal to 540 degrees. So let's sum these. We have 90 plus 90, which is 180. 180 plus 140 is 320. 320 plus 55, we have 573. So that makes X to be equal to 540 degrees minus 375 degrees. At the end of the day, we have X to be equal to 165 degrees. So X is 165 degrees. When you add all the angles together, you realize that it is equal to 540, which indicates the sum of a 5-sided polygon, which we call a pentagon. So X is 155 degrees. On to the second method. So in the second method, we shall be looking at the use of construction lines in solving such a problem. So I'm going to replicate the same diagram as it is on the black on the board. We have P, Q, R, S, and T, where T is given as 55 degrees. We have angle Q to be 140 degrees. We are told angle S is x degrees. So how do we find the unknown angle? I'm going to introduce construction lines. Since PQ and RS are parallel lines, I'm going to continue these lines straight way. So PQ is parallel to RS. I still want to create a central parallel line that cuts through the middle of angle T. At the end of the day, I have this as 140. This is a straight line, so that means this angle here will be 40 degrees. The theorem applicable is angle on a straight line is 180. So this is a straight line, that makes this plus this to be equal to 180. This angle is 40, it simply means this angle will be 40. So this angle here is 40. The theorem applicable here is alternate angles are equal. So this angle is equal to this angle. And if the whole of this angle is 55, it means 40 plus this will give us 55. So that makes this angle to be 15 degrees. So that 40 plus 15 gives us the whole angle, which is 55. So if this is 15 degrees, it means this angle will also be 15 degrees. Alternate angles are equal. That is one of the theorems that are applicable in geometry. Alternate angles are equal. So that makes this to be 15 degrees. Hence, we could find the angle x. This is a straight line, so if this is 15, it means that angle on a straight line is 180. So that makes 180 degrees minus 15, which will yield 165 degrees. So angle x becomes 165 degrees. Angle on a straight line is 180. That is the sum of angles on a straight line. It sums up to give us 180. So at the end of the day, we have x to be equal to 165 degrees. So this method of solving the problem is with the use of construction lines when compared to the previous method. I'm sure this example is helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. See you for more videos. Have a good time.